In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on a GitHub repository. If you've ever wondered how to team up with others on GitHub, this guide will help you through the process of adding collaborators to your project seamlessly. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to GitHub. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Signing up is quick and easy, and if you do have one, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now, before inviting someone to collaborate on your repository, you'll need their GitHub username. Reach out to them to get this detail. If they don't have a GitHub account yet, kindly ask them to create one. It's essential for the collaboration process. With your GitHub account set, navigate to the main page of the repository where you wish to collaborate. This page is your project's home base, where all the files and essential information live. Look for the Settings tab, typically found under your repository name. Sometimes, this might not be visible right away, so if you don't see it, look for a drop-down menu and select Settings from there. In the Settings, you'll need to focus on the Access section of the sidebar. Here, you'll find a very useful option titled Collaborators. Click on this, and then choose Add People, which allows you to invite others into your repository world. In the search field provided, start typing the username of the person you want to invite. GitHub will help you out by displaying a list of matches as you type. Once you see their name pop up, click on it to proceed. Now that you've identified the person you want to add, it's as simple as clicking Add, followed by their name to the repository. Doing so officially sends out an invite, and along with that, the user will receive an email notification. This email includes an invitation to collaborate on your repository, a direct gateway into your project's development environment. They just need to accept this invitation, and voila! They will have collaborator access to your repository and can work alongside you to create something great. Collaborating on GitHub opens up possibilities for innovation and teamwork, turning individual effort into a collective success. By following these straightforward steps, you've connected with a collaborator and expanded your project's potential. Enjoy your new collaboration, and happy coding!